This is called Dawn Barn, a memory of my farm. The field used to flood in April, and I would get this image. And then here we are. This is all where I paint. That was my mother's bridge club, the Hyadolls. Look at their hair from the 60s. Rose, Lily, Ida, and Gertie.
Aww.
There they were. I called them Hyadolls because they used to bump into each other on Eglinton and they go, "Hiya, doll. How are you?" Right? And there's my Canadian version, balaclava burqa. Like we were in such judgment of people with face coverings, and this is the woolen ski masks that the Canadians wear, right?
Yeah.
You might want to include Governor Simcoe because that's one of the most famous images. It's called Simcoe's Illusion. And years ago I did, Don Ross had me do a PowerPoint at OMAH on Simcoe and the founding of Ontario. And of course now it's politically incorrect to talk about these WASP career soldiers who took over the province from the First Nations and how they dealt with them and the smallpox and the rest of it is disgusting. But it was a time when, we admired his pluck and his enthusiasm and what he accomplished in kickstarting Ontario. It was really something.